Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from the stockpile because today's video is going to be about one of my favorite ways to make and save money, and that is the Shopkick app. So if you're not familiar with the Shopkick app, you have landed in the right place because I'm going to tell you all about how you can use this app, download it for free, and start earning free gift cards today. So if you know anything about me by now, y'all know I don't like to waste time. So we're going to jump right into it and we're going to get started. So before we go into the ins and outs of how to use the app, I want to give you a general overview of just what this app is. So Shopkick is an app that you can download for free and start earning rewards points within the app. You redeem those rewards points that are called kicks for free gift cards. And you can earn these rewards points by completing various activities, by making purchases. There are different ways in order to earn these points that are so simple. And then you take those points that you earn and you redeem them for free money. So now that you understand the basic premise for how the app works, let me show you how to get started. So to download the app, all you want to do is go into your app store for your device, search for Shopkick, and then press download. Once you download the app, you want to hit on the sign up button and you want to create a password, enter in your email address, and then the next page will ask you to also enter in your birthday. Once you enter in that information, you will be ready to start earning kicks. So now let's talk about the kicks system so you can understand how to calculate your rewards within the app. So within the Shopkick app, 250 kicks equals $1. When you have earned 1,250 kicks, you can redeem that for a $5 gift card. And then the formula for calculating your kicks is the number of kicks times 0.004. So if an offer is offering 500 kicks, for example, you do 500 times 0.004 and you come up with $2. So now let's talk about all of the different ways that you can earn kicks, because earning kicks is so easy and you can earn kicks for things that you are already doing right now. So the first way to earn kicks is walk-in kicks. And you earn kicks just by simply walking into select retailers and establishments. So once you walk in, if you have your location services on, you will automatically earn kicks just for walking into a retailer. So for example, when I go into Walmart and open up my Shopkick app, I earn free kicks just for being at Walmart. The next way to earn kicks is by scanning barcodes at stores that you're probably already shopping at. So the next time that you are at CVS or Walgreens or Lowe's, open up your Shopkick app and you will see offers available for scan kicks. So what this means is you just want to pick up the product, scan the barcode on that product, and you will earn kicks just like that. So that's an easy, free way in order to start earning as well. So while you're at the store picking up your items, you can also be earning free gift cards. And with walk-in kicks and scan kicks, the most important part about both of those ways to earn is that you are not having to spend a cent in order to earn these kicks towards a free gift card. Between walking into a store and scanning items, you're already earning kicks without having to purchase anything. The next way to earn is my favorite way to earn because of the high value offers that are often available, and that is through receipt kicks. So through this way, you will make purchases for products that have offers available within the app, and then once you purchase the product, you will upload your receipt. You'll just take a picture within the app. I will show you how easy this is to do a little bit later in the video, and then you will earn kicks for making certain purchases. And I love to utilize receipt kicks because sometimes you can find great high value offers that are available that will cover the cost of most of your purchase without even having to use coupons. And if you like to shop online, guess what? You can also earn for your online purchases. So you can shop online within the Shopkick app and also earn free gift cards that way. You also have the option of linking your card so that you can be rewarded automatically. Another way to earn is by referring friends to the app. So if you share out the Shopkick app with your friends, you can earn kicks that way as well. And speaking of referral codes, I also want to share my referral code with you that you can enter by going to your profile section and typing in *10. Shopkick has been kind enough to partner with me on today's video, and they are giving you $10 in free kicks with my code as long as you earn 10 kicks within your first 7 days of downloading the app. And that is so easy to do, as we've just covered. All you need to do is walk into a store or scan an item and you can get 10 free dollars. So who does not want $10 in order to get started? So use that promo code to sign up, and now you're ready to start earning even more money. Now that we've reviewed how to use the app, how to download the app, what kicks are, how to calculate and earn them, I want to show you a true life example of how to put all of this together and how it all works. So now I'm going to cut away and we are going to go to Walmart, and I'm going to pick up a couple items and show you how I'm earning scan kicks and receipt kicks for my purchase. And then later I'm going to show you how I turn them into gift cards. So before I left to go to the store, I opened up my Shopkick app and I looked at the available offers for Walmart. When you open up the app and you select an item that you may be interested in scanning or purchasing, you can see the amount of available kicks that are available for each action that you do. So like for this item, I have 30 kicks that are available if I scan it, and 550 kicks are available if I was to purchase it. Once I went through all of the available offers, I knew exactly what I wanted to purchase. So the first item that I knew I wanted to grab was some Kraft barbecue sauce. So these are $1.18 and they have 15 scan kicks available and then 250 receipt kicks available if I purchased the item. So I knew I was going to grab that. Then I also wanted to get some cheese, so I went over and grabbed some Tillamook cheese. So for scanning this bar of cheese, I would earn 25 kicks, and for purchasing the cheese, I would earn 550 kicks. So now let's talk about how much both of these items are going to cost us using Shopkick. So the first thing that I do when I look at any Shopkick offer is I add up how many total kicks I'm going to receive for scanning the product and for purchasing the product. So for this Kraft product, I'm going to get back a total of 265 kicks. Also, as an FYI, if I had scanned a product that wasn't included in this Kraft offer, when I went to receive those scan kicks, it would have told me that the product was incorrect. But I know I have a product that matches the offer because it accepted my scan kicks. So when I calculate 265 times 0.004, I know that I'm going to get back $1.06, and this item costs $1.18. So that means my final cost for this barbecue sauce is only going to be 12 cents using Shopkick. So now let's do the same calculation for the cheese. 575 kicks total times 0.004 equals $2.30 that we're going to receive back. This cheese costs $3.43, so that means our final cost is only going to be $1.13. So now my final cost for both of these items that would have been $4.61 is now only $1.25 using Shopkick. And I didn't have any manufacturer coupons with this purchase, but if you have manufacturer coupons, you can use those as well for additional savings. So in order to claim your kicks, what you want to do is you want to go to the item page and click on Submit Receipt. Once you hit Submit Receipt, a complete list of all of the available offers will come up and you can select which ones are on your receipt. Once you submit your receipt, you will get a notification to let you know that your kicks are on the way. And then the next time I logged into the app, I got the notification that my kicks had been awarded. So there's a processing period after you submit your receipt. Sometimes it's really quick, but sometimes it can take up to a couple days in order for you to receive those kicks back. So just keep that in mind. And then if you're making an online purchase and you're not in store, you also want to keep in mind that you need to make all of your purchases from the Shopkick app. And you can also earn kicks back for purchasing subscription services within the Shopkick app. With online purchases, you earn a certain number of kicks for every dollar that you spend. So for Best Buy, for example, for every dollar that you spend, you would earn 2 kicks. So now that you've seen just how easy it is to use this app in store, to use it online, and earn kicks, I want to show you how easy it is to turn those kicks into money. So all you have to do once you have enough kicks to redeem a gift card is tap on your points up at the top of the app. That will open up a screen where you can select where you want to redeem your kicks. And there are so many different places that you can redeem for gift cards. I do Amazon a lot, so that is what usually shows up on my screen. But you can redeem for Sephora. You can redeem for PayPal if you just want to send the cash to your PayPal. That is an option too. There are so many different options that you can redeem for. So I love this app because you truly are turning these activities and purchases that you would already make into real money. So that is all, you guys. I thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down below if you have any questions that I may not have answered in today's video. I will definitely be in the comments, and I am so glad to help. I've been using this app since 2015 and think it is awesome, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Remember to use my code STAR10 so that you can get 10 free dollars if you are new to Shopkick. And I thank Shopkick once again for partnering with me on today's video. And as always, you guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye.